Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to display recently viewed products instead of upsells in WordPress. Using the UpsellMaster Pro plugin, your ultimate solution for seamlessly integrating upsells throughout your website. So how can we do this? First, why display recently viewed products instead of upsells? This strategy prioritizes a personalized user experience, respecting users' choices, and facilitating quick access to items of interest for more efficient purchasing decisions. In this example, you can see a recently viewed products carousel on a product page instead of upsells. So, how can we switch from displaying upsells to recently viewed products? In this example, we would like to change it on the product page. So we can just go to Settings and change the show from upsells to visit. Same goes to the other page you want to change. And that's it. Now you know how to display recently viewed products instead of upsells in WordPress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks and know-hows related to this plugin and to many more WooCommerce and easy digital downloads plugin. Also, you can visit us at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you.